Today's Country 95.5.
Snippet and Charlie back with you once again this week for another air fryer recipe. And this week, if you've ever been to Taco Time, you've had their crustos. We're going to show you how to make your own today. So for this recipe, you will want some coconut oil, as well as some cinnamon and some sugar, and you will also need some tortillas. So you start out by scooping out some coconut oil to heat up. Now is the fun part where you get to slice up your tortillas. So what you'll do is you will cut them into little chip pieces, kind of like that usual triangle piece, triangle shape that you usually see. And now that all of your tortillas are cut, what you'll do is you'll be dunking them into the coconut oil.
Make sure they're evenly coated, drip them off a little bit. You don't need a whole lot of this stuff.
And then after you're done in the coconut oil, you will move it over to a cinnamon sugar container and you'll coat those as well.
I used 2 parts sugar, 1 part cinnamon for this. Just kind of dunk it to your liking.
And once you are satisfied with how they look, go ahead and throw them in the air fryer. What we are doing is only going to coat half of them with the cinnamon and sugar before we put them in the air fryer. Half of them we are just going to leave covered in coconut oil, and then after they're done cooking, then we will be adding the cinnamon sugar. And now that everything is coated and ready to go, we're going to slide it into the air fryer, and you will cook it at 350 for 7 to 9 minutes. We're starting at 7. Well, after 7 minutes, our kitchen now smells like cinnamon and deliciousness. Oh my goodness, do those ever look tasty. All right, so we've got 2 different kinds here. One that was pre-cooked with the cinnamon and sugar, and ones that weren't. So we're gonna see which one we like a little bit better. And we're gonna start with the ones that we put some cinnamon sugar on after. Those are really good, actually. Not super crunchy, but there is a little bit of a crunch to them, but good flavor on them. Now let's try the ones that we put the cinnamon sugar on beforehand. Those ones were definitely crunchier, but I honestly think the ones that just had the coconut oil in the air fryer had the better taste. But something for you to try.